Welcome to our tutorial on Copilot for DevOps Plus. In this video, we'll be focusing on the Elaborate functionality within Copilot. With Elaborate, you can provide a work item as an input. Copilot will analyze what's provided and suggest ways for you to expand and elaborate on that requirement. Select your input fields or the field which you'd like to elaborate. Here, we can select our description and then click on Generate. Based on what's given, Copilot will analyze, extrapolate, and give us suggestions on how we can expand our description. So here are the results. You can take these results, copy them, and share them elsewhere if needed. You can also replace these results with the existing description if you deem this better. You can also append these results by clicking on Add to either the top of the description or to the bottom after what's already there. If you're using Copilot Plus, you also have access to our Custom Instructions panel. It allows you to select your AI model, whether GPT 3.5 or GPT-4. The latter will give you better results but also consumes more tokens. You can choose to have your results be more creative or more precise, as well as choose the length of your results. You may also choose the language in which your results are outputted. To ensure you get exactly what you're looking for, you can add your own custom instructions as part of the prompt. So this concludes our tutorial video on the Elaborate functionality. Be sure to check out all of our other tutorial videos on Copilot for DevOps.